Jai Bhim. Welcome in my channel, all views in a one glance galaxy world with Sarika Kedar. Back to work. Today's good thought is forgive your enemies but remember their names. That means in your life there are two people are there. They will be included in your life. There are so many are the friends and so many are the enemies. And that is why that enemies give the trouble to you, and because of that forgive your enemies but remember their names, and from that you learn the next nice lesson. Okay, now the today's subject is the social studies and the topic is universe. This is the third one lecture of the social studies. In that we are learning about the universe. In the last lecture in the universe we learn about the galaxies and a Milky Way. Now today we are going to learn about the solar system. The definition of solar system is the sun and the 8 planets along with their satellite and other heavenly bodies like comets and asteroids from the solar system. That means sun that also included the 8 planets and also having the comets and asteroids, they are included in the solar system. In the next, that one is the sun. Sun is a star, it is a big star and it is the center of the solar system. It is the center of the solar system or a boss of the solar system. It gives out the heat and energy. So much of heat and energy sun is given to us. Next one is the satellites or moons. Satellites or moons are revolve around the planet. It is revolve around the planets and they do not have their own light. They totally depend on the sun. They are for a light. They are totally depend on the sun, and sun gives the light and energy to the satellite and moons. Okay, after that Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It don't have a moon and a satellite. Mercury is the smallest planet and it don't have the moon or a satellite. Okay, after that there will be the Venus. Venus is the twin planet of the Earth. It is just like Earth, but on the Earth there will be the water, and Venus there will be the no water. And it is the same size as the Earth and it don't have the moon. It don't have the moon. And after that there will be the Earth. Earth is only one planet that supports the life, and it is a blue planet because it have the water, and 3/4 of the water it having. That is why it is called as a Earth and it have the blue color. Okay, and after that Mars. Mars is a red planet. It is a red colored planet and it have the 2 moons. It have the 2 moons around it. After that there will be the Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet which is revolve around the sun and it has the many moons. So many of the moons it has. After that there will be the Saturn. Saturn have the many bright rings. It have the bright rings. Saturn have the many bright rings around it. After that there will be the Uranus. Uranus having the many rings but it is having the thin rings. Thin rings as compared to the Saturn, and that is why it is called as the Uranus, and it having the many of the moons. After that next one is the Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. From the sun it is going toward the lastest of the planet which is present in the solar system, and that is called as the farthest planet, and it has the faint ring. It having the faint rings around it and many moons it has. Now I give the repetition on that. In the last lecture of in the universe topic we are learn about the galaxies and the Milky Way, and in this lecture we are learn about the solar system. Solar system, that means it included the sun and the 8 planets, and also it having the comets and asteroids around it. And after that sun, we are learn about the sun. Sun is a big star and it is the center and boss of the solar system, and it gives out the heat and energy. After that, what is the meaning of satellite or moon? It is revolve around the planet. They do not have their light of their own. They totally depend on the sun. They are totally depend on the sun or related to the light and energy. And after that there will be the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It don't have the moon or a satellite. And after that there will be the Venus. It is a twin planet just like Earth, but it don't have the water on that. That is why it is called as a twin Earth. But it is having the same size of the Earth, but it is don't have the moon. After that Earth is only one planet that supports the whole life, and it is called as a blue planet because it having the water on that. That is why it is called as a blue planet. Mars is a red color having planet. It having the 2 moons. After that Jupiter is there. Jupiter is the largest planet on the solar system, and it has many moons. After that, Saturn. Saturn has the many bright rings, and that is why it is called as a Saturn. And after that, Uranus, as compared to the Saturn, it is having the thin rings and many moons it has. After that, Neptune is there. That is the farthest planet, and it has the faint rings and many moons. This is the end of the topic of the universe, but only the comets and asteroids exploration is remaining. I give it in the next lecture. Until then, bye.